Today, we're going to build the Outrider using 9 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with a boat stud. And I'm going to turn that boat stud around so I've got the 4 studs facing up. And this is going to be the front of my ship, this is going to be the right. And on that front right stud, I'm going to grab a 1x1 plate with ring. And I want that 1x1 plate to go onto the front right stud so that the ring is on the right side and those rings are facing the front and back of my ship. And once that's in place, I can get a 1x1 translucent black tile piece for the canopy, and I'm just going to put that on the front ring like this to create the canopy of the Outrider. And now once I've got that in place, I'm going to grab another 1x1 plate with ring, but before I attach to my boat stud, I'm going to grab 2 1x1 round tile pieces and put those on the back of the ring and the front of the ring, so both sides of the ring are covered with the tile piece. Now the reason I'm doing that is I'm going to attach it to the back right stud of my boat stud so that it connects to the cockpit. Because if you look at the Outrider, it's got those kind of like 2 parts that go out, and then the kind of the canopy area or the cockpit kind of comes together on the side, so that makes it look like one piece, and it's coming out with the 2 ends of the Outrider. Now once that's done, I just have to kind of smooth this out, and to smooth it out, I'm going to grab 2 of these quarter tile pieces or pie wedges and put it so that the straight ends go across the plate and center of my boat stud like this, and do that to both sides to smooth it out. And once that's in place, I can put the top on with this 2x2 rounded tile with center stud, and that little center stud is going to be like those top guns to the Outrider. Put that in place, and here's the Outrider in micro scale for Dash Rendar to travel the galaxy. And I have loved this ship since I read the Shadows of the Empire book.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.